Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk all about my skincare routine. So this is kind of like a Saturday where I've done a bit of self-care skincare. So I'm just going to walk you through it. First, before I do anything, I actually get the vibes going in my house. So I've just got this new record player. So I've put a record on. I love records. They just make me feel really chilled out and they make the environment really nice. And then I'll put my oil diffuser on with essential oils in it. I find that this really helps calm me and everything like that. So with my skincare routine, I am all about simplicity. I like to use non-toxic products and I like to use products that are quick and easy with very few ingredients because I find that really helps my skin. I have dry, sensitive skin and I am in my 30s. So I try to use products that will help with anti-aging, but at the same time are cost effective, simple and easy to use, and that is me in a nutshell. I do not like anything too complicated because if I have complicated things, I tend to not actually do them. So drinking water is one of my beauty tips basically. I drink a lot of water, so staying hydrated is great for your skin. So I like to put my hair up in a messy bun. I've got this little headband I put on, and then I'm going to use this face mask, and this is a very gentle, because I do have sensitive skin, this is a very gentle face mask, so I like to use this. This is actually the last of it that I have. I've used it all up, but it is a dry face mask that you actually mix up, so I like to leave that on only for about 5 minutes. So I take this little reusable bamboo face wipe and remove my face mask. I try not to be too harsh on my skin when I remove this, but I do this and then I actually rinse it with water. I'm laughing at myself here. And this is the view I actually had at the time and I thought I might show you. Pretty cool. So yeah, I just like to get that off, but yeah, again, not being too harsh on my skin, just lightly rubbing it off till it's completely gone. And then just drying off my skin, not rubbing too much on my skin, just patting dry. And then this is when I like to do my oil. So this is the almond oil that I use. I use this every single day. I love it. It's great for sensitive, dry skin, which is what I have. I find with my skincare routine, the simpler the better for me. The less ingredients that are in the products I use, the better. I find that I have reactions to a lot of products, so this almond oil as a moisturizer just works so well. And as I'm rubbing it into my skin, I set an intention because I do like to actually kind of like release any tension within my face. I rub it down my neck and onto my chest. And at the same time, just, you know, really set an intention that I want to relax and calm at the same time. And I rub the excess onto my hands. So next I use this jade roller. Again, I set an intention with this roller. It has been in the fridge, so it's nice and cool, but I use it over the top of my almond oil. As you probably know about jade rolling, it is really good to bring blood circulation to the face, so it can help as an anti-aging product. Because I am in my 30s, I like to try and do things that are natural but also good for my skin. It can help with lymphatic drainage, so it can draw away toxins, and this allows a gentle toning and lifting effect to the skin. Yeah, I really do enjoy this. It feels amazing. It's so refreshing on your skin. It releases tension within my jaw and my forehead, which is where I hold a lot of tension, and I just love doing it. So jade is actually known as a protective crystal. It actually helps soothe the mind and it can help release negative thoughts, which is a great thing to do when you're doing your skincare routine because you can really set an intention, release the muscles in your face and things like that. And I find that it is so relaxing for me personally, and the fact that it's so cooling on the skin as well, it is absolutely beautiful. So I do it around the eye area. I very gently around there because our eye areas are so sensitive, and that's me feeling quite relaxed after all that. But my skin feels incredible after this. Like, it feels so plump and it feels rested almost. So I then put on some lip balm. These are the lip balms I use. I have one in every section of the house. So this is Sunny's version of self-care, my dog. She likes to lay in the sun. She lays in the sun all day. So some other products that I use, these are some reusable face wipes that I use regularly. I'm not sure exactly where these ones are from, but they can be just thrown in the washing machine in this little bag they came in. I also received these two just recently, so I used the little one in the clip before, and the big one is a makeup remover wipe, which I haven't really used yet. This is the face scrub that I use daily. Normally I wouldn't use an exfoliator daily, but this one is very gentle on my skin and it is all natural. So it's a really great product. It's my all-time fave, and I think it retails for like $13 in Australia. So this is actually the Retreatment Botanicals Refining Face Polish, and it's an AHA triple action gentle surface renewal. So because I have sensitive skin, this has worked a treat for me. It is an exfoliant and it has gentle fruit acids. Now, my skin is incredible after using this. It's so soft. So I've got this By Essence face mask, and this is like a very gentle peel. So I use this only for about 5 minutes. I use this instead of the detox mask that I've featured before, and I use that or this depending on what my skin needs, but I'd only use this once a week or once every 2 weeks. But it is a gentle skin peel. I find that this really leaves my skin really soft and smooth, and it exfoliates it really well. So this is actually my own DIY. I have a video on this one. It is a healing balm, and I use this on any of my skin conditions, pimples, ingrown hairs, things like that. So I will leave that video in a card above, but I'll also link it down below. So this is the hand cream I use. This is the Weleda hand cream. Now, if you're familiar with Weleda, they actually do their main cream, which is the skin food. So that's quite a thick formula, and that one's for things like, you know, your elbows or knees or things like that, your hands. This is a light formula of that, so I love this one better. This one I use on my hands. The scent's beautiful. It's like a citrus scent. So this is the hand sanitizer I use. It's non-toxic. It is by Dr. Bronner's and it's peppermint scent. So I actually use this Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Castile soap. You've probably seen this before, and I've used this for years on all different things, but I use this to clean my beauty tools. So I use this to clean my face pads, things like that, and I also use it to clean my jade roller, because every time you do use your jade roller, you should give it a clean and cleanse it before starting again. Also, running that in cool water to set an intention to cleanse the crystal is very important as well. So that is basically my skincare routine. Let me know in the comments if you use any of these products. Tell me what skin type you are, because I'd love to know. But check out any of these products in the description down below. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I would love to have you here in the Detox Your Life community. I love having chats with you down in the comments, so make sure you leave me a comment. So I hope you have a really great day, and I'll speak to you again really soon. Bye!